What are you geeking about this morning? It's early. Geekers. My goodness. What are you geeking about? Okay, well, tell me all about it. I know. Oh my goodness. To the Keeker's nest already. Just plop. Yeah. I love you too.